All right, y'all. This is HS Custom Audio Designs coming at you with I don't know what part this is on the 6.4 Bel Air, but what I'm doing today, excuse me, y'all. What I'm doing today, you see, I got got it stripped out. I gotta get all this wiring out of here. This is like bad, but anyway, working on gonna get the hat rack done. Try to get that framed up today. And also I got the kick panels done. They're not in. I just got them done. I got the console done, all that. It's not wrapped. So hopefully by the weekend I get all that wrapped up. But today my focus is on getting this old school hat rack out of here, redesigning some stuff. Probably going sound dead in this, all of this right here. I already got a speaker box built. We're not gonna get too flashy on the box right now. We still got some stuff to do in the trunk before we get too creative on that. And the reason I got it jacked up because I got to move some lines up under the frame. So got a lot going on. So I'll probably go ahead and send it over to paint and body before we do anything about these door panels. But stay tuned. HS Custom Audio Designs. Like, comment, subscribe, share, pray. Peace.